Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you all once again to our today's episode of this program. Now we, the Nation Voice, the voice where they review the secrets and so on, the government and the politicians that they say they cover. And today, first of all, I want beg each and every one of you, say this program, this very broadcast, I beg make una help us share this broadcast. The reason why we the beg, say make any hand when it be say he click this video and watch and make it share am. Because we want prove our federal government when it be say it dey lie. Nigeria federal government when it say this archbishop when they do one man protest since against the way when it be say China take they maltreat Nigeria or all other Africa country for inside China. Say na bad thing, and instead they call upon Nigeria federal government ever since say make it go evacuate the citizen. And today, the first news when we broke out this morning, they say this man go do protest yesterday, and he carry hundreds of his members enter Chinese embassy. From there, now they arrest him. Yet this morning when we talk about the first video, we say it not feel possible, though we never see the video, because now the video, the evidence, now we want break on now. Make everybody see where the Nigeria police force or Nigeria federal government foresee hundreds of members of this archbishop when he be say he follow and go do protests. Because we first talk against and say, it not feel possible, we know this very man very well. Say, even since when he be say he dey do protest, he dey say I dey on one man protest. I know say I no want violate the federal government law, because I know say this time when we dey say yes, the law when the federal government may say social distancing say it dey very important. Now the evidence where they say the whole against and say he carry hundred of his members take go do protest. Now they take hold on. I will show you now the video of the protest, because I did all research since I don't find the video. I will show you the video, and I will show you the moment when it be say they can't arrest this man. Whether you will see any crowd or 100 or even 50, even if few people there with him, the people you will see and say social distance is there among them. You will see this video very clear before your eye. I don't want to talk too much. You first of all watch this video. I will come back for the conclusion.
As long as what is our fault that our complexion is black, is that our issue? How can you say that we now have become the problem? Not a clips, but so many clips of how Africans have been destroyed, Africans have been spoiled, mesmerized, humiliated, and dehumanized in your own country, and you are in my country drinking our water. It's the only way I can register for you to know that not only me knows what is going on. Man has done anything about it. Nobody has done anything. And I am saying to you right now, as you watch me through your closed circuit television, as you watch me through your CCTV, as you have come out and watch me talking, I am talking for my people. I am talking for my people. I am talking for my people. I weep in my heart for them. I weep in my soul for them. I feel their pain. I feel their anger. I feel what they are going through. You do it so wrong to our people, to the black nation. This is the greatest nation. You want our oil, you want our diamond, you want our gold, you want our thing, you want our uranium, you want all the elements of nature that God has given to us, but you don't want us. How can you tell me that you don't eat chicken but you drink the water? Never. It's impossible. It's impossible. It's high time you started treating Africans in China with respect. Zoom me. I'm not hiding my face. I am only dressed in my official regalia. This is the way I am dressed. This is the way I should be. My face is clear. My face is open. I cry for the poor. I cry for the masses. I cry for the less privileged. If not because of lack of amenities in our country, what will take anybody down to where they are today? Because they went for greener pastures, and instead of greener pastures, what do they get? Nothing but humiliation. What do they get? Nothing but insult. Nobody nobody can get anything from your country. Not a plot of land, not even a property, because it's a black person. Yet in Khartoum, South Sudan, there is a China farm there. Over how many hectares of land in our very Ogun state here, a fish pond, and all farms, all belongs to Chinese. You export these things back to your country. The little you could just do is appreciate this country and treat our own children with respect and honor, and not to humiliate them by beating them like animals and treating them like animals. You may see only me today, but you don't know what this could lead to. I am asking you, therefore, better call your country or call your ambassador and let him know that this has gone beyond just the hand of a few people. A lot of Nigerians are angry. They are feeling pain. But as a man that I am, I came to you so that you can correct what is going on in your country against my people. Correct it. This one-man protest is to let you know that I am speaking the mind of millions of Nigeria. Millions of Nigeria, they feel the pain. The only way I can is to come to your country. This is your country, and I respect your sovereignty. I respect your country. I respect your land. That's why I'm not standing where your country is. I am in the Nigerian part of where your country is. I respect you as a sovereign nation, but you must also respect me, respect my people, and respect Nigeria as a sovereign country. No matter what we have shared, that should not make you take advantage of my people who live in China. China, you must do something now about what you are doing to the black nation in your country. If we decide to say whites of your flesh will not enter into our mall, there's nothing you can do. There is nothing anyone can do. Even if the security comes against the people will not allow it. So it is high time you told your people what is going on. What is going on. And it is better that this is not simultaneously done all over. I care very much about you. And at the same time, care about us. Care about my people. Care about Nigerians. Care about Africans, whether they be Ghanaians or Ivorians or Liberians or South Africans, provided they have a black skin on them, treat them with respect. You all the things you need. Your residents are not humiliated. Your residents are not abused. Your residents are not dehumanized. But what do? You dehumanize our own people. You humiliate our own country. You humiliate our own people. Anything you do to one Nigeria, you do it to Nigeria. Anything you do to a single Nigerian, you do it to the whole Nigeria. Oh yes, my leaders may not be able to tell you what I am telling you right now, but I am telling you that the voice of the majority is greater and bigger than any other voice. And I speak the voice of the majority. Too many Nigerians who believe that their voice can never be heard. Oh yes, I would have been here longer before now, but because our country has been thrown into a period of mourning because of the late chief of staff to the president, I therefore say, treat our country, people in your country, with respect. Thank you. No, I didn't gather anybody. They came on their own.
All right, my great and wonderful people. The reason why I start the video from that beginning to the time when you see those police come right now. I will still replay that place when police come, because I don't want divide this video so that you will know the process when police take come. From that beginning to this very moment when the police take come, so una see crowd when it did there. Everybody, I think una put una eye down for those people when it did the background. Say, even social distance is there among them. Compared to the chief of staff when they say they go bury that day. You know the reason why they talk all these things not pass BC? For the Chinese ambassadors, when they say that they inside their own office now, they use CCTV, they watch these people now. Say, see police, Nigeria police come humiliate this man before their very eye. Tell me the signals when he say he won't pass to these people. In a rightful sense, this police supposed to be people when he say they carry their van and everything to make sure say they protect this man for the front of this very embassy. And even moderate the people when he say he stand with this man to make sure say everything dead in order. In a place where he be say yes, these people, yes, they really know what thing that they do, this government. Now police supposed to mark a roadblock for these people. For this man, supposed to be say now they protect and guide this man. Make sure say motor not they pass, no distraction. So that these people will hear the message when they say this man, they pass across. And now they come invade this man before the front and the presence of these very Chinese people when they say they molest our people for their country. Now, you tell me now, what will be the signal when it be say this police, this useless police, Nigeria police force, and the federal government when it be say you no get ahead and they will not ever get ahead. God no will allow their own better. The signal now when it be say this people now my question now wait because these people now they get their own camera for inside their house, their room there when it be say they watch something when they happen for outside. Now the council say our own police now it can interrupt this man, can put disgrace for this man body like this. The person when he be say if they speak on behalf of the Nigerians when he be say then they said they molest of their own country. Tell me what be the signal, what be the action when these people want to take against our people for China? What be the haste when they want be say they want to put pressure for their people to say, okay, make them make sure say they treat Nigerians or every other African color well when they don't see this one so. People never start to destroy Chinese property for Nigeria now. Now just stand up one man protest as you see them. Because you know, when we read, a lot of people they tell us on some comment section say, you know, we will even really know what did happen. See, because this one don't reach every one of us Nigerians, even though say you, the person they did don't score, even though say you yourself, I say you know even want better for life, but this one supposed to let you know say these people as a they don't bite more than what they will feature. Youth, Nigeria youth, I beg you when they listen to me so as long as you come across this video. I beg you, the only thing you will hear me do now, begin to share this video and they tag everybody. Because according to what they write for media, say this man carry 100 of his member. Because for my first video, you was see and there for my first broadcast, see and say, we even carry this thing, we put that for our screen. Say he carried the 100 of his member. Say he carry and go protest. You see any 100 of any member for this background. Una see the people when they don't even reach 50. Even you see the background there, you see crowd. Una see any crowd around this man. See, this one, it don't miss it. It don't dey done for Nigeria. As in, no more. I don't know how I want to put this word to every youth for Nigerians. When you will say this thing, person they ask me, say, where the Christian for the comment section? This will not be matter of Christian. Wait till you they talk. You won't even write me that comment for the comment section. Say, where the Christian? This will not be matter of the Christian. This one are the matter of Nigerians. The citizen, the nation, being sold to the foreigners. You they ask me where the Christian? This one are the battle for the Christians. Because this man stand up as a Christian to protest. If they protest for only the Christian, now only Christian they China, not be all the nationals, not be all the tribe, not be all the religious. If for the people when they China, they Muslim not there, Judaism not there, traditional people not there. You boldly come to my comment section. If I found you, if I can find you, trace you, I will delete you by myself. For you to make that comment, that dubious comment, for my comment section, say, where the Christian. Even though I love you before, be careful the way when you be say, you they talk concerning the Nigerians, when you be say, concerning the issue of this man, when he stand, the risk is all life. He get every comfort with his own family. He get everything to make sure say he protect his family. For even this COVID-19, say, one of his family for 1 year, they not come outside. His children not come outside. He himself, as he God bless him, he take the risk. For over 1 or 2 weeks now, this man there on the streets. They cry out day and night. You know they eat, you know they drink, you know they sleep. Because of Nigerians. You come here, because they tell me, say, where the Christian. Now the matter of Christian, I be this one. This man said now because of saying a Christian, you just said that the Chinese tag the people when they persecute for their land, saying a Christian, how did they persecute? We Nigerians suppose it don't reach the time where we say our brain, they're supposed to refabricate our brain so that it will they work according to the way when God take creation. Because I don't know, they will need to format a lot of our brain before we start to think well. Before we start to think well. Because one thing when I sure, whether the youth willing to stand up or they're not willing to stand up, the God, when he begin this battle, it will bring out to a fulfillment. And it will be a shame to the federal government and every youth when he be said, you open up their eye to see this man being molested by the federal government when it takes speak for Nigerians. Because enough is enough. They don't do it to a lot and a lot. Or my show where for over 5 to 6, 7 months now, you never see family because of this issue. Because of this issue, now the Kano, you don't run exile because of this issue. Make them not better. These are the people when they be say, yes, they are where to do. Now, what did they pay me for mine? Now be this one. They get everything, every comfort when they be say they need. They know they suffer, they know they lack. They know they do this thing to get fans or to even get money. Deji and Deyanju, one certain time like this, stand up, say, now they cannot say they know his secret, they know everything, say na traitor. Deji, in fact, I will get time for Deji. I will get time for Deji. Deji Adeyanju. Deji Adeyanju is a traitor. I will get time for this man. Even FFK, I will get time for all of you now. God will begin to expose you now. Because the issue of this Abakari, the chief of staff, don't expose a lot of you shady deeds. And God will continue to expose you now. This COVID-19, when it comes, so it not come for nothing. Now, as one person talk for my comment section, say now judgment to every evil doers for Nigeria. And truly, it start from the head. It start from the head. Because I wish to say now common people, now this thing start with, at least, we not for not even they hear about hospital. We for not even they hear about ventilators. We for not even they hear about how they wanted to come. They said they get any Nigeria Central Disease Control. No, we for not they hear. But it can't say it can't come to them. And it won't go one do to the extent. It can't go to them to the extent to say every border and every airport, they don't shut them down. They don't go fly outside. Now so, God, when it start this thing, it will bring out to a fulfillment. Yes. The Bible says we should not suffer the wish to live. Evil shall slay the wicked. Now so it will be for Nigeria. As we continue to pray, as we continue to fast, and as we continue to look up to God, you know, wherever I abandon the weeping and the crying of his children, may every Nigerian know this one. As long as we refuse to stand up for those that stand up for us, as long as we refuse to speak for those that speak for us, as long as we refuse to defend those that defend us, the end shall tell. The end shall tell. Now, only waiting I get to talk for this program be this one. Now, waiting I get to offer for the broadcast now it be this one. All right, if you like, share. If you don't like, don't share. Until I see you again. Bye-bye.